Welcome, magical souls. Today we're diving deep into one of the most cherished principles in Wicca, the Wiccan Rede. This timeless wisdom, captured in the phrase, "And it harm none, do what ye will," is not just a rule, but a way of life. Let's explore its meaning and how it shapes our spiritual practices. The Wiccan Rede serves as a guiding principle for many Wiccans, emphasizing the balance between personal freedom and ethical responsibility. "And it harm none" is an old way of saying, if it causes no harm. "Do what ye will" invites us to follow our true will and live authentically, as long as our actions bring no harm to others, ourselves, or the world around us. It's a beautiful reminder that magic and life itself are interconnected, urging us to act with intention and mindfulness. Harm can be interpreted in many ways, making this principle both simple and profound. It's not just about avoiding physical harm, it extends to emotional, mental, spiritual, and even environmental impacts. Questions to reflect on include: does my action respect the free will of others? Will this spell, word, or deed create unintended consequences? How does this align with the greater good? In a world of interconnected energies, every choice sends out ripples. The Rede asks us to be conscious of those ripples and ensure they bring light rather than darkness. The beauty of the Rede lies in its dual focus on personal empowerment and accountability. It says, you are free to live your life and practice your craft, but with freedom comes responsibility. Before casting a spell, think about the broader implications. Will it respect the free will of others? Is it coming from a place of love and positivity rather than fear or anger? In daily life, the Rede can guide simple actions like speaking kind words, reducing waste, or showing compassion to others, even when it's challenging. This balance between will and wisdom allows us to grow spiritually while contributing positively to the world. The Rede isn't just for magical work, it's a way of living that encourages mindfulness and ethical choices every day. Wiccans often see the earth as sacred, and the Rede inspires us to protect and honor her. From sustainable practices to small acts like planting a tree or reducing waste, we align with the Rede by nurturing our environment. Whether it's helping a friend, forgiving someone who's hurt you, or simply smiling at a stranger, the Rede reminds us that even the smallest actions can make a big difference. The Rede encourages us to focus on self-improvement and authenticity, living in harmony with our true selves while respecting the paths of others. The Rede is not about achieving perfection, it's about striving to make ethical choices and growing from our mistakes. Life and magic are journeys of learning, and the Rede serves as a compass to guide us in the right direction. No one can predict every outcome, and sometimes harm is unavoidable. For example, when walking on grass or eating food. The Rede is about doing our best to minimize harm and maximize love and understanding in all we do. At its core, the Rede is a celebration of free will and personal empowerment. It reminds us that we are creators of our reality, capable of incredible magic and change. By aligning our actions with positive intentions, we not only manifest our desires, but also contribute to the greater good. The Wiccan Rede is more than a rule. It's a philosophy of kindness, respect, and empowerment. It asks us to walk our path with intention, to practice our craft with care, and to live our lives in harmony with the world around us. By following "And it harm none, do what ye will," we embody the essence of Wicca: love, balance, and connection. How has "And it harm none, do what ye will" influenced your journey as a Wiccan? Do you apply it in your spellwork or daily life? Share your thoughts, experiences, or questions in the comments below. Let's connect, learn, and grow together.